Hello everyone and welcome back my YouTube channel. How are you friends? I hope you are doing well. So dear friends, today I am back with a very beautiful and very useful collection of decor. In this video you will see the very wonderful home decor design ideas. I hope that you're gonna love this collection. All the decor ideas designs beautifully stunning and classy. That after watching this video I hope that you're gonna love all the decor design. In this video you're gonna love this video. Kitchen colorful kitchen ideas. These are basically of bedroom design and this is the best collection for them. So just watch this video till the end. You will get many ideas, many designs from this video. I hope that you're gonna love these bedroom designs collection just like you love the other collection on my channel. Precious collection, your positive feedback tells me in the comment section. Tell me that you're loving my video and my video are useful and helpful for you. So just visit my channel and check the other home decor ideas on my channel. You can see different type home decor ideas on my channel. These kitchen ideas very beautiful and useful and you love all the designs in this video. I hope that you will love this classy and bed stunning colorful kitchen collection. If you are loving this colorful kitchen decoration ideas in this video, but so please do also like my videos. If you have if you haven't subscribed my channel and if you have subscribed my channel, please do also click the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will uh, get notification of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos, any collection on my channel. And friends, I always try to bring more useful collection for them, and I will bring to YouTube videos and useful content for you. They don't forget to tell me the comment section how was this video, how are the design of this bedroom. For those people who love to modern kitchen ideas, this is the best collection for them. So please, if you loving these designs, to support me by sharing my video. Uh, with your friends, with your relatives, so I may bring more useful for you. And thanks for your appreciation on precious videos. So in this video you will see the luxurious kitchen, and for those people who love to modern kitchen ideas, this is a very nice collection for them. They will get many beautiful ideas